Hello guys, today we are gonna make a chisel from a single cylinder. We are gonna use basic modeling tools. We add cylinder and we rotate it and we scale it again to get the correct size of the chisel. Yeah, it's okay now. We're gonna apply some loop cuts to get some more details. Yeah, when you apply loop cut, if you turn the mouse wheel before clicking, you can increase or decrease the segment size, segment numbers I mean. Yeah, we are applying now and more loop cut. We're gonna get our surfaces for like gripping rings to prevent the slipping when we hold it. We apply shade smooth and we increase the length of the object. Now we have the basic shape now. We're gonna start to select the faces. We're gonna get the sharp edge of the chisel. We scale down and we scale down the top edge, top edge of the cylinder to have the sharp edge, cutting edge. Yeah, make it thinner. Yeah, better now. It starts to look like a chisel, but we are not finished yet, and we will adjust the hammering side of the chisel. We apply some inset to get new faces. It's gonna look better. Yeah, we select the faces by pressing Alt and hold and click. For this, it's called loop select. If you wanna select multiple faces, make sure you hold Shift together with the Alt, then click. Yeah. We apply some extrude. Yeah, it's nice, I think. It's better. Yes. Yeah, it's very nice. Looking nice. And we are gonna apply some loop cut more. Yes. To get our gripping rings, we will apply some extrude to the surfaces. Yeah, Alt Z again for X-ray view. Yeah, we are selecting now our faces. We apply some bevel. You see, I like beveling to get tiny surfaces. There's a tip also, when you are at X-ray mode, X-ray view, make sure you cover the black dots in the middle of the faces. Otherwise you cannot select the faces. need some more loop cuts here. Yes. Now we start selecting our faces. Before extrude, as you see, it's very easy and quick. Yes, now it's okay. We're gonna apply individual extrude. We're gonna use now, yeah, only a little. We apply bevel. No, it's, yeah. Let's try smooth tool. Yeah, first extrude, then we apply the smooth. Yes, this is better now. It's better now. Yeah, seems nice. Now we adjust the tip. Now we apply loop cut. Yeah, I want to adjust different materials, the main body and the tip, because in the real world, yeah, we make it thinner to sharpen the edge. In the real world, the chisels, the blade side is lighter, has lighter color than the body, because it's grinded for sharpening. That's why it's like that. Some chisels have different materials. The body and the tip has different materials. They apply some coating at the tip and make harder for long lifetime. Now we select faces. Again, the body faces. You see, you have to cover the black dots. Yes. Yeah, as you see. Yeah, we apply material. Let's check it out if it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You see, seems very nice. And we apply same material. Yeah, we loop select. When you are loop selecting, just click on the edge. Otherwise, you cannot select the circular faces. Yeah, we apply material. Let's check it out again. Yeah, nice. It's nice. Switch to edit mode. We select the blade side, blade tip, or we can say cutter tip. As I told you, we're gonna apply a different material, create a different material. But before that, we need to scale up only a little. Yeah, that one too much. Yeah, now it is okay. I think. Yeah, it's better. Now we start to create material. Yeah, seems nice. Create our material, metallic one. Alright, and we reduce roughness. Yeah, a little bit more lower. Let's see. Yeah, seems better. Yeah, only a little roughness for light reflection. Yeah, seems better. Okay. Yeah, look nice, right? And we set other material, the main body material, as you see. Yes. Yeah, you see the difference? Yeah, it looks very nice. And we turn the black material into metallic, but not too much. Just get some shiny surface, that's it. Yeah, it's better. It seems very nice. You see, we need to click on the edge. Press Alt and hold and click on the edge for round selection. Loop selection, yeah, we applied some bevel, yeah, very smooth and looks nice. Also, you can design a pen, you know, the ink filled pen, the old school pen. With this method, yeah, we adjust our lights roughly, but roughly not. The purpose of this tutorial is just revealing the potential of the basic tools. You know, we don't need always fancy add-ons and fancy nodes to create any object like this. Actually, don't worry about the nodes. You know, it's kind of complicated, and we don't need actually too much. We don't have to create everything. But this kind of practices gives us the opportunity of develop our skill, you know, and polish our imagination, creativity. That's it. That's why practicing is so important. By the time you start to imagine something, and then the thoughts and the images start to flying through your mind, like what tools you're gonna need and what process you're gonna apply to the faces, and how you create that object, you know. That's only the way is to make more practice to obtain that practicality. Alright guys, that's all for today, so see you later. Please consider like and subscribe if you like the content. So I wish you all the best. See you later. Thank you.